Hello dear learners, welcome to another video of Adobe Photoshop class 3. So this is Ryan. I will going to show you these tools. I don't talk here too much and unnecessary. I don't like that. Okay, let's move on. Everybody, you see this is Adobe Photoshop window. Now I have to take and I need to take a 3 or 4 photo. It's not a 3 or 4 photo, just I need a 2 or 3 photo, and then I will going to understand to you so better, and this class probably is going to very incredible. Now let's going to introduce these tools. So first tools you see, this is lasso tool, and this is polygonal lasso tools, and this is magnetic lasso tools, and it has, you see, this is magic tools. It's very doing magically. Okay, actually it does magically. Okay, I see after. Okay, now this is crop tools. Okay, however, now we are take a photo. I'm going to file and open this. So I take this photo, this on. Okay, 2 is enough. Okay, everybody, you see I take 2 photo, and first photo let me show you this image. It's understand to you better. And now I maximize this image. You can do just option here. So first tool I show you, this is lasso tool. Lasso tool is doing just select on your picture. You can select your picture and remove your picture background, or whatever you do, whatever you want to do, you can doing this. Okay, now let's see. First I need to crop this picture because this picture is like a bigger. So we need to select the crop tools and check the mark area and enter the button. Okay, and now we are going to know lasso tool. Okay, first you start your section here, and yes, one thing, when you start to select on your picture, then you should be hold down on your left button on your mouse. And release the button. Okay, you see the picture is selected. Now you can move your picture anywhere. Okay, you can move, and you can change your background also. For that you unlock your layer and going to select option and inverse your picture and paste the delete key or backspace key. Okay, the background is delete, and then we need to create a new layer. You can create the new layer from here, and you also delete this option here. Okay, this layer. Okay, so this layer is always would be below, and it's a deselect and change the background color, which is must be this color, and press your keyboard alter backspace. The color is changed. Now you see the picture is not remove background properly. Okay, now let's try to next tools. Okay, this is the polygonal lasso tool. Okay, I'm back. You can back from this option. Okay, you can back any moment. What are you doing before here? You can back also here. Okay, now we are going to know next tools, which is polygonal lasso tools. Okay, so what does polygonal lasso tool? Let's see. So polygonal lasso tool, just you need to click any angle, any point for select this area. Just click on this and select it. Click. Okay, everybody, you see I select image area. Now the same thing. What if you want to move this picture, then you can move, or if you want to change a background color, then you can do. Okay, unlock this layer and inverse this picture and delete this color and and we are taking a new color. Just alter backspace. So I'm pretty sure you understand actually what does this tool. Okay, now we are going to magnetic lasso tool. Magnetic lasso tool is actually little bit more advanced. Back everything. So everybody, we are going to learn magnetic tools. Okay, let's see. So first you just doing one thing. Just you click on your left button of your mouse and just you just hover on your picture and it select automatically. Okay, so you see these tools does automatically. Just you select on point and you hover on your picture round and it's select automatically. Okay, and you can do whatever you want. Okay, use move on your picture any places, and you can change your background color also. You see before time. Okay everybody, everything set up or understand to you better this magnetic tools. So first the magnetic tools on condition. So these magnetic tools work just if you have a one color, then this magnetic tools select just one color. The magnetic tools not select several color, it just select one color. You remember this. Okay, so now let me try it. I select magnetic tools and I try to select this picture. Okay, you see this is not select properly because in this picture you see the several color here. Okay, there's a various color here. So this is one color is select properly, but so you see many position is many color, that's why this tools is not working properly. But now we are going to see this picture. This picture is, you see this is one color on the background, its select is properly. Okay, you see the picture is select properly. So you see this work actually we are doing before these tools, but this tools is not work properly, but is a magic tools is actually magically doing this. So now let me change the background, remove color and take on this. Okay, you see it's so better. So better remove background. Now we are going to learn these tools. Actually what does these tools? Now let's see. First of all I need to, okay, now select these slice tools. You can select many part. For example, I select this part. You select many kind of area or measurement area. Okay, everybody, I think you got it. Every tools actually what does every tool. So you use these tools and practice yourself, then you have to knowledge these tools. So this video is enough for today. See you the next video. Till then, have a good day.